The 2023 Tesla Model X dashboard warning indicator lights provide crucial alerts on battery status, system performance, and safety concerns. Understanding these indicators helps drivers maintain optimal vehicle operation and safety. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display offers intuitive control over navigation, media, climate controls, and vehicle settings with a sleek, minimalist interface. The instrument cluster displays essential driving information such as speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and warning indicators. The steering wheel controls the vehicle's direction and often includes buttons for audio and other functions. The gear shifter lets the driver select transmission modes like park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Regenerative braking light, brake warning light. Vehicle hold, seatbelt warning light. Front fog indicator light, supplemental airbag warning light. Slip indicator light, anti-lock brake system light. Low tire pressure warning light, cold weather light. Parking lights on, high beam indicator. Drive inverter mode, electronic stability control systems. Auto high beam, low beam indicator light. Traction control, adaptive air suspension. Transport mode, trailer mode. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.